Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
So our current air temperature is coming in at a fairly nice 61 degrees. I think that's pretty comfortable, but the dew point value makes it feel even more so, and that's 58 degrees, dropping as we speak. That dew point value, an indication of how much moisture there is in the air, how much humidity it feels like there is in the air, the comfort value level of the air. And as we head into the weekend, it's going to be great. Last couple of days have been kind of humid. I think a lot of people would say that, but then that front came through yesterday. The winds have shifted. Drier air is filtering southward, and we're looking at that dew point falling. Northeast wind right now coming in at about 5. Beautiful skies out there currently. Temperatures around the region fairly uniform compared to the last several days when we've had an onshore wind flow that kept coastal temperatures a good 6-7 degrees warmer than inland temperatures. Not necessarily the case now. 61 Sarasota, 62 in Myakka, 63 in Northport, 64 in Venice and Inglewood, 62 in Bradenton, 62 Parrish. In inland areas of Wauchula and Arcadia, you've got 62s and 3s. Longboat Key coming in a little bit warmer, coming in now at about 65. So the drought index, I'm going to reiterate once again, is showing some parts of Florida now in the severe drought categorization by the U.S. Drought Monitor. An indication that we sure could use more rainfall. And yes, we got some around yesterday, but even with that, we are still 2.5 inches below our monthly average right here on the Suncoast. So as we head into the weekend, be particularly careful. Even though we don't have any red flags flying for high fire danger, wildfire spread is still a concern. We have across the middle part of the country another area of low pressure developing. Here you can see the swirl in the cloud pattern, a good comma-shaped indication of a developing low pressure area. It's actually going to be a fairly strong one, I think, and will extend all the way, meander up into the Great Lakes, producing snow showers there. We don't have anything like that to worry about this weekend. We have a lot of blue sky out there in store for us. Maybe a few fair weather clouds coming at us from the other coast. There's still some shower possibility over there as the strong onshore flow creates a rip current issue for their waters, as well as an occasional scattered shower. A couple of the clouds working their way in this direction may bring us, kind of a mix of sun and clouds at times today. But on balance, we are looking at mostly sunny conditions. This water vapor imagery, the tan colorization, an indication of dry air at mid and upper levels. And with that kind of a picture, you don't get rainfall. You get a lot of blue sky, and that's what we will see right straight through probably the next 7 days. There's our developing area of low pressure, a little bit of snow shower activity at higher elevations, meandering back through the open plains with the potential of some severe weather, then wrapping back up another area of low pressure, moving up toward the northern and central Great Lakes, producing there snow showers, lake effect snows, some freezing rain in Pittsburgh and upstate New York, and rain showers as you move further south into West Virginia and Virginia. If you're traveling to those locations, could be some airport delays. Threat of severe weather exists today in parts of the country, but certainly nothing for us, not even a rain shower, most likely in most sections of west central Florida. We watch this wind coming in out of the northeast again today under a ridge of high pressure. It's starting to decrease in intensity a bit. So our exercise caution statements for local area waters and our offshore small craft advisories have been allowed to expire. Now, later today, as that high pressure ridge drops southward and a frontal boundary back to the west stalls out, we may tighten up that pressure gradient a little and get a bit of a surge in our easterly winds. That may allow for maybe an exercise caution statement for our area waters to be issued briefly during the afternoon period. It'll expire again tomorrow, and I think the rest of the weekend looks like it'll be fairly nice boating weather with daytime highs near the 80-degree mark, a lot of sunshine, and lower relative humidity.